Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're going to be making this French style almond apple galette. And not only is this the most show-stopping dessert, it's also one of the easiest to make. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so this apple galette we're making today is going to have a thin layer of almond frangipane on the bottom. This is consisting of simply 1 egg, some sugar and butter, with some almond flour in the bowl, and some almond extract is going in. This layer of frangipane will complement those apples so well. Check out some other ways to use this frangipane in the link listed in the description box below. Now once this is nice and smooth, place it to the side and I'm gonna start cutting my apples. This part is super quick and easy. I'm using this mandolin to thinly slice my apples. We're making 2 tarts today, so I'm gonna be using about 3 apples. I'm using some lemon juice to pour over them so they won't turn brown. And to sweeten this, I'm adding a bit of sugar and some cinnamon. Move it around to get into all those layers. And now for the fun part, it's time to put this tart together. I have here a pre-made pie dough. Of course, you can make this from scratch if you like. Spread 2 to 3 spoonfuls of this frangipane layer on the bottom of the pie dough, leaving about an inch space around the edges. Place the overlapping apples over the frangipane. Make whichever design you like, and once you're done, simply fold in the edges of the dough, overlapping them to form the crust. Pop this into a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit and bake this for about 30 to 45 minutes until the bottom is nicely golden brown and the frangipane has slightly puffed up a bit. Brush these galettes with some apricot jam to give them a nice glaze finish, and serve this buttery pastry as a dessert with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. It'll be the talk at your next brunch or dinner party. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, give this video a big thumbs up. And for those of you who are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe so you won't miss out on my quick and easy videos, which I post every other day. Thanks so much for watching.